Hey guys, thank you for joining me. So in today's video, I'm going to recreate Ankita's makeup look. I think she is one of the best beauty YouTubers we have in India and she's my favorite too. And really love her makeup tutorials. So I'm going to create one of her looks on my channel. Her makeup look are so easy to create, even a beginners can recreate her look, and that's the beauty of her channel. I necessarily do not have the same products, but I'm going to use whatever I have, and I'm also going to leave the product name in the info box. And yes, let's get started. Okay, for my primer plus moisturizer, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild primer. When this works great as a moisturizer plus primer. This is not in actually a pore filling, but this is a hydrating sort of primer. Okay, she's using a concealer before foundation, and I do have a L'Oreal one, but not in that shade. So I'm going to use my concealer. So I have the L'Oreal Pro Conceal, and this is like a correcting concealer for me. So I'm just going to use the areas where she used. And she's using this to hide the darkness. Okay, for my foundation, I'm going to use the MAC NC40 mixed with the Sleek Illuminator in the Monaco, and I'm going to mix them together with the facial oil from the Plum. So these three combinations I'm going to create and put this on my face. Okay, just by adding the illuminator and also the facial oil, my skin is glowing, looking dewy, and I think that's what she's looking for, and I really like it. It's like a medium coverage. This is how my skin is looking. It's quite dewy right now. And now we are moving to the eyes. Okay, so I have this khaki color shimmer brick from the faces. I'm gonna create that kind of eyeshadow. For that, I'm going to use this cool tone brown shade from this pack palette. I'm going to apply on the crease where she's using the cool tone brown shade. She also went under the eyes, so I'm going to do the same. As you can see, my eyeshadow has completely worn off from that place where I have used the glitter. That's why she has used cream based eyeshadow, because it sticks to the place where it's supposed to stick. I'm gonna use once again. Okay, let's see what she's doing next. Okay, she's using the Still a Magnificent Metal eyeshadow. I don't have that one, and she's using this. It looks like in the camera it's a silver eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution foil eyeshadow in the silver. I'm going to use this one. Now this is how my eyes are looking right now, so we're moving to the next step. Now she's using a black pencil to draw a line very near to her upper lash line, and she has smudged that with the brush. I'm going to do the same. I'm using the Nykaa eyemBLACK Kajal. This is very pigmented and easy to blend. So this is how it's looking after smudging, and I'm gonna move to the brows because she's using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Because I don't have that, I'm gonna use the Sugar Cosmetics Arch Rival Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown to fill up my brows quickly. Okay, she has just filled her brows. I have filled my brows as well, and I've used a little bit of concealer around my brows to clean up that. And she has used the under eye concealer to brighten her under eyes, and I'm going to use this, do the same. And for that I'm going to use the Colorpop concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to brighten my under eyes. Use the PAC translucent powder. This is the number 03. Now next I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer to contour my face. For the blush, I'm going to use the Shame palette. I'm going to use this Benefit brush called Rock to apply that on my cheeks. Okay, she's using mascara, and I'm going to use my favorite mascara, and that is the Lash Sensational one. For the lipstick, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Pure Fire from the Star Collection range and put it on my lips. The Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a comment below how did you like this video, and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And take care. Bye bye.